Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book Stem Cells, a creation by Jonathan Slack. Stem Cells 2021 offers an overview of stem cells, including their scientific applications, current therapies, and future prospects. It primarily delves into the medical and scientific domain of stem cells, briefly touching on ethical, political, and legal dimensions. This concise introduction is part of a series comprising over 650 short introductions across various disciplines. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Jonathan Slack, a retired professor from the University of Minnesota and the University of Bath, UK, has authored 5 academic books. He is also the writer of Genes, a book in the very short introduction series. With 5 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on StoryPlanet.net. To start, the text talks about the science of stem cells and promises to provide information on everything you may want to know about this topic. The focus is on presenting relevant information on stem cells. Stem cell therapy is gaining attention for its potential in treating diseases associated with old age. Research and money are increasingly focused on this area. Stem cells have limitations, but also promise for future treatments. The text discusses embryonic stem cells, the quickening, pluripotent stem cells, and tissue-specific stem cells. Key idea number 1. Stem cells are special cells that have the ability to develop into different cell types in the body. They can be used for medical research and have potential applications in regenerative medicine to treat various diseases and injuries. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that can generate differentiated cells. They are found in various parts of the body and play a crucial role in renewal tissues like the skin. Embryonic stem cells, ES cells, are pluripotent and can form any cell type, while tissue-specific stem cells can only produce cells from their tissue type. ES cells are created in labs from early embryos and are versatile in their potential to transform into different cell types. Stem cells help in replenishing and maintaining tissues in the body. Key idea number 2. Embryonic stem cells are undifferentiated cells derived from embryos that have the potential to develop into any type of cell in the body. They are valuable for research purposes due to their unique properties of self-renewal and ability to differentiate into different cell types. Ethical concerns surround the use of embryonic stem cells because their derivation involves the destruction of embryos. Embryonic stem cells, especially human ES cells, spark ethical debates. Opponents argue on religious grounds about when life begins, varying among beliefs. Biomedical scientists view pre-implantation embryos as not yet human, crucial for research. Mouse ES cells, discovered in 1981, have been vital in genetic research, providing genetically modified mice for significant discoveries. Human ES cells are used in studies on human development, genetic diseases, and drug testing, potentially reducing reliance on animal testing. Human and mouse ES cells have similarities but differ in pluripotent cell states, affecting their integration and differentiation capabilities. Key idea number 3. Pluripotent stem cells have the ability to develop into various cell types, making them a promising option for potential therapies aimed at regenerating damaged tissues or treating diseases. Ian Wilmot cloned the first mammal, Dolly, the sheep, in 1997. Cloning has been done before with frogs and sea urchins. Human cloning is controversial, but therapeutic cloning for ES cells is possible. iPS cells have become a more practical alternative, derived from skin cells. These cells can be used without immunosuppressive drugs. However, costs remain a barrier, and more research is being done. Stem cell therapies, particularly for retinal degeneration, have shown promise, with successful clinical trials since 2011 resulting in improved vision for patients. Other potential applications for pluripotent cell therapies include treating diabetes, Parkinson's, heart disease, and spinal injuries, but results vary. Key idea number 4. The focus is on tissue-specific stem cells and their potential in therapies. Our body cells are categorized into post-mitotic cells, don't divide, expanding cells, divide only in childhood, and renewal cells, continuously replace tissues. Hematopoietic stem cell transplants, HSCT, are crucial, treating conditions like leukemia and lymphoma. Tissue-specific stem cells are used in various treatments, such as cultured epidermis for burns and corneal stem cells for eye problems. Key idea number 5. Focusing on setting achievable and practical goals for the future. Advances in medicine have been significant, but current limitations still exist, such as paralysis from spinal injuries and an inability to regenerate lost limbs. Stem cell therapy faced controversies and high expectations, but scientists are more focused on embryonic development and drug screening. Progress in hematopoietic stem cell transplantation has been significant, but challenges such as high costs and mortality rates persist. The future of stem cell therapy holds promise for treating various conditions, but progress will be gradual and require extensive research. In conclusion, the text discusses the various types of stem cells, their potential applications in treating diseases, and the importance of remaining skeptical about miracle cures from unregulated stem cell clinics. It emphasizes the need for sensible decisions regarding funding and regulation in stem cell research and acknowledges that significant progress is still needed in the field. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.